Jojo and welcome to my DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you the Ozito Mitre Saw. This is the cheapest Mitre Saw that I can find from the local Bunnings warehouse. I never owned any Mitre Saw before. This is my first time. But the reason I bought Ozito because this fits to my budgets. And there's a few brands that I was looking, but the price kind of steep a little bit. But because this is only for DIY use, it's not for commercial use, so let's see how good this is. Alright, the dust collector, some instructions, quite heavy. Looks like it's almost ready to go. Set up the dust bag, which is this one, and set up the support bar, which is this one. So you put that here. Oh, yeah, works. I think that's it. That's pretty much ready to go. You can see the maximum width is up to 2.5 centimeters or 125 millimeters. Based on the specification, the depth of the wood that you can cut is up to 48 millimeters. This can also do a bevel cut. Looks good. Let's try one more time. Alright, let's try with 40 mils. I don't have 48 mils timber. We'll see if this will cut nicely. I'm not sure if this is just the work. Still a lot of mess around here. Maybe I didn't install it properly. Ah, there you go. There's a box in here. Yeah, I think in my opinion, this is good for DIY and good value for money. It does what it's supposed to do. I tried with 40 mils timber and it can cut nicely. This is the 40 mils timber. See this? The cut. It's perfect. And it's not rough. You see the edges. Nice one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Ciao.